আর 12টার টাইমরে আশা করছো মারা 11টার বদলে পুরা বলাই বললা বলি আর তো আর বেশি এজেন্ডাও নাই আর প্রোগ্রাম মারে আসলে অনারারে বাঁচা রইছো করিয়া আর বিন্যাস জরুরতি আর এবার আগে তো আর সিকিউরিটি লাবনি রে বাংলাদেশের ল এনফোর্সমেন্ট এজেন্সি আয়োরে আর লরে বড়ইয়ে তারা সারেটা করছে আর সিকিউরিটি দতে আর ওরে বাঁচা রইছো করিয়া আর কনসার্ন অথরিটি কোলে এসিসিয়ান হইব লাবনি রে আর সাপোর্ট করছে দিয়ে আর মারে শুকরিয়া আর ক্যাম্পর যারা জিম্মাদার কোল আছে ইতারা এসিসিয়ান অফ ফান খুশি করছে আর সাপোর্ট করছে দিয়ে আর মারে বাঁচা রইছো করিয়া প্রোগ্রাম করতে বদুল্লাহ উনিশা অনরাই নরে আল্লাহর ওয়াসে আর মাফ করে দিবান আর যে দূর বারে দূর সিস্টেমেটিক ভাবে লাভলে চাই কিছু হারণে দৌলা বদিল্লা হয়ে এদে আছে অনরা তো অশান্তি লাগিলেও মাফ করে দিবেন আর একটা গরমের টাইমত মারে সুইটেবল টাইম নহলেও কিছু মেসেজ দিব লাভলি ওরা আর গতিতে পারলাম আর কিছু ক্লিয়ার মেসেজ আর ইন্ডিকেশন ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কমিউনিটি আর ইউএন ওরে We are thankful for the UN agency and Bangladesh. For it we do receive, but need for space resource available. We cannot survive or find in this condition much longer. We need urgent action from United Nations and international community. On behalf of Rohingya community, I appeal to you to Congress step in the following area. Increase humanitarian aid and support. Immediately boost UN international aid to address humanitarian crisis we are living and facing right now. This means restoring food, ration and preventing future ration cut. No refugee should go to hunger due to lack of funding. It also means investing in education for our children. So entire generation of Rohingya community does not grow without schooling or hope. Additionally, we ask for creative solution to get at in Arkan state. Second, a strong political pressure on Myanmar. We urge the UN and member state to apply every diplomatic tool available to press Myanmar authority to respect the right of Rohingya community. The Myanmar military junta must be condemned and continuously pressure to end the policy of persecution against the Rohingya community. They must be told clearly that the world is wishing you, will not tolerate the humiliation of the Rohingya. We also call international actor and international community to ensure that Arkan and we have a responsibility to protect all civilians under their control. Use your influence to pave the way of recognition of equal citizen of the Rohingya entitled the same right and the dignity as any others. Only with a strong, unified international pressure can we hope to see Myanmar change the treatment of Rohingya community. Third, justice, accountability for the crime committed against the Rohingya community. The authority committed against the Rohingya, the mass killing, rape of women, bodies of entire village must not go unpunished. We call United Nations to champion international justice effort. Number 4, roadmap for safe voluntary repatriation will afford right and dignity and citizenship. Our end goal, our deepest yearning to return to home a safer Myanmar. No refugee want to live forever in a camp dependent on charity. We want to go back our village to the land where we live long time and respect with our right as a citizen. But we cannot return to a life of persecution and danger. We need UN, international community to establish a clear roadmap for safe, dignified, and volunteer repatriation. This roadmap must guarantee us security, full citizenship, and civil rights, and ability to build our lives in Myanmar. It must involve consultation with Rohingya themselves and assurance that we will not be headed back into internally displaced person and IDP or segregation on Myanmar. I appeal to listening. Please stand us with us. We Rohingya people have land called Arakan. We are not without dream. We dream of a day we can return to a Myanmar. It's a peaceful and safe where our children can freely in the field that their father, grandfather once did. We dream of the day we can once embrace our Buddhists, Rakhines, and other ethnic minorities as a brother, reconcile and living together in a harmony. We dream of justice, deserved and rights recognized, so that never again will anyone have to feel because of their ethnicity, because of their religion identity. Please help us return this dream into reality. We Rohingya people belong to Arakan, Arakan belong to us. We want to go to our country as soon as possible. We are really grateful for the Bangladesh government to host the stakeholder dialogue conference in the Cox's Bazar. And we also thank the interim government to propose the UN to hold international conference on the Rohingya issue. Next 3rd September it will be ensured. We are really appreciate what the people and Bangladesh government doing to us. Thank you, everyone.